We've had similar versions of this, but it's obviously topical to people. Happy Monday. With Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Tesla all now bearish trend. Is this the market signaling more bearish trends coming and potential rollover for tech? We just hit on tech, obviously, but Tesla is one that you had called out as something you were watching a few weeks ago, and obviously has sold off pretty meaningfully from then. But thoughts, I guess, on bearish trends developing?
Well, one, I just want to say, the fact of the matter is that I don't care because I'm not long any of those, right? So we got rid of, and partly taking XLK or QQQ down was Apple breaking trend. There's no hard fast rule that the things that everyone owns have to go up for the market to go up. What you should care most about is what you're long going up, right? I'm not running around telling you to buy those things, right? I said Google's the only good-looking thing if you have to buy one of them. If that's your job, I get it, right? But it's not mine. I like the Russell, I like SPACs, I like pot stocks. I mean, I got a lot more to do. So again, when you look at the construct of the index, it just tells you that different things in the index are going to perform, like energy stocks. Isn't it amazing that they took Exxon out of the Dow right before it exploded to the upside, right? So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, all these names, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, what do they all? Most of them have in common? Well, Amazon is obviously widely held with no short interest and has very difficult COVID comparisons. That's why I'm not long it to begin with. And it just broke trend, so why would I do that? These two, very bad situation. These two are the number one and number two components of momentum, MTUM. MTUM is a factor exposure. So that's the other thing. Why would you be long momentum when you can sell some momentum and buy more high beta? Why would you be long so much momentum that everybody else is long with low short interest? Don't forget, look at the factor exposures. These things are also, this is down to 6% short interest. 6% short interest, okay? You don't want to be long low short interest, all right? Show the factor exposures. You want to be long high short interest. So what happened last week was the high quality compounders. You'll hear that one a lot in Boston. High quality, I'm long high quality compounders. High quality compounders do well in quad 3, so does gold. Okay, so high quality compounders, great balance sheet, great company. Like my son has a debate at school today. He's going back to school today, and they have a big debate. He's put on the jacket. He's got the tie on. He's 13 years old. He's gonna hit his debate points, but you know what? He can tell you what those companies do. Like it's not like you shouldn't get paid a lot of money to be long those things because everyone knows they're high quality compounders. I mean, everybody knows how well Amazon did throughout the COVID crisis and how well your iPhone and the Apple did too. But now they carry the attributes on the board there that you don't want to be long. You want to be long high beta, shitty balance sheets, junk bonds, find it, SPACs, whatever. That's where you're going to get paid a lot more. And that's where you have been paid a lot more. So there's a lot of reasons for those things underperforming and why they're signaling what they're signaling. I don't think that you should universally take that and just say, well, that means that everything else should go down. Yeah, quite to the contrary. I mean, last week Tesla was down. So for example, last week alone, last week's return, this was minus 13.5% last week. Why do I know this? Why did I write this down? Because that's what I do. That's what these two stocks did last week. Okay? Bacon was up 3%. Coffee was up 6.5%. There's a lot of things. Energy was up 4.3%. Corn was up 1.1%. That's what your portfolio looks like. Their portfolio's got problems. If the question is, are they going to keep having some problems because they all own the same shit? Absolutely.
Okay.
Maybe not absolutely. I apologize. I was maybe on a bit of a Monday roll there. Yep. Probably.